People keep saying, just invest in ETFs. But no one explains what that actually means. So today, let's fix that, in plain English. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly what an ETF is and why beginners love them. Hey everyone, welcome back to Budget Boosters, where we make money simple. If investing feels confusing or intimidating, you're in the right place. Today, I'll explain ETFs like I'm talking to a friend, no big words, no stress. Let's start from the beginning. Tip 1. What does ETF mean? ETF stands for Exchange Traded Fund. But forget the name for a second. Think of an ETF like a shopping cart. Inside that cart are many different stocks. When you buy one ETF, you're buying a little piece of all of them. Stick around, this is where it gets good. Tip 2. How ETFs are different from stocks. When you buy a stock, you're betting on one company. If that company struggles, your money struggles too. An ETF spreads your money across many companies. That makes ETFs less risky than picking one stock. It's like choosing a team instead of one player. Tip 3. Why beginners love ETFs. ETFs are simple. They don't require daily watching or guessing. They automatically spread your risk. And they grow over time as the market grows. This makes them perfect for people just getting started. Tip 4. Do ETFs make you money? Yes, but slowly and steadily. ETFs grow as the companies inside them grow. Some ETFs also pay dividends, which is cash paid to you. This means your money can grow and pay you over time. Patience is the key here. Tip 5. How much money do you need? You don't need a lot. Many apps let you start with $10 or $25. Some even let you buy pieces of an ETF. The most important thing is starting, not the amount. Bonus tip: ETFs are long-term tools. ETFs are not for quick wins. They are for building wealth over years. The market will go up and down, that's normal. The goal is to stay invested and keep going. Stick around, this last part ties it all together. ETFs are one of the easiest ways to start investing. Simple, balanced, beginner-friendly. If this finally made ETFs click for you, hit like and subscribe. And tell me in the comments, what confused you most about investing before today. Next up on Budget Boosters, ETF investing for beginners. Start here.